2018 Hyundai Santa Fe SE Ultimate Tech Package 7-passenger SUV. Nice white paint, aluminum alloy wheels with good tires, tinted windows, backup sensors, dual chrome tip exhaust, plenty of storage, cargo cover down there, power liftgate. Nice well kept light tan leather interior, carpeted floor mats throughout, third row seating, rear window shades, retractable, heated seats in the rear, Infinity premium sound system, panoramic sunroof goes all the way back, power windows, locks and mirrors with memory driver's seat, heated and cooled front row seating, navigation, 390-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio, backup camera with 3D surround view, hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls, smart cruise, blind spot monitor, lane keep assist, heated steering wheel, auto headlights with fog lights. Just over 118,000 miles. Come on, see us.